Good morning, my name is David Lane. I'm out here with Randy Shinneman and Levi Kathman. Today's date is October 9, 2017, and I'm about to perform a video inspection of the main line of 505 South 2nd Avenue here in Cheney, Washington. It's actually a restaurant, El Rodeo restaurant. Was called out here just last Friday. Today is Monday. So just 3 days ago, and they were experiencing repeated backups. I cabled from a grease trap and performed a video inspection and found this 4-inch line that we're looking at right now totally encased in grease, to where the water flow was reduced to probably maybe 15%, 85% of the pipe covered in grease. We just got through using our commercial jetter, and as you can see, the pipe's looking real nice right now. We did find several areas of the pipe that were back graded or had a belly, which means that there's standing water in the line, which means that grade was lost somehow. Now maybe the install, maybe a strap broke. There's a lot of different ways that this can happen, but we should never have any standing water in our main line whatsoever. So as I pull back, you'll be able to tell where the bottom of the pipe is by, of course, where the water is, and also by where the light of my camera is. We're at the 4-inch now. We Y right here, and we go up to other fixtures, secondary fixtures, and we are actually going towards the grease trap and the fixtures. We're working from a two-way clean out. We're going to pull back through this two-way clean out and then push out to the city sewer, a two-part video. So as I pull back, I'm going to tell you what I see. The bottom of the pipe is at the top of the screen, the top right-hand corner of the screen. And as you can tell, there's no grease right now. Just little chunks there just on that lip. Nothing too severe whatsoever. Looking good. Those secondary lines might need it themselves, but that's for another day. And as you can see, this pipe is almost grease-free, and I'm happy to say that. We had to have several passes with our jetter on this line. The cable and the hose was coming back very greasy. Excuse me, sorry, the camera lens, or the camera cord is greasy and it's hard to hold on to. As we pull here, some water starts. They are running a bit of water here, but as we pull back, you can see how we pull into some water, and then we come right out of it. A little bit of water running. The pipe looks fantastic. And here we pull into one of the bellies I was talking about. You can see where the water level is. You can see how it's just standing, not moving. Started about 16 foot 4 inches. Still underwater. You can see the debris. We washed it out best we can. Still underwater. Around that bend, this whole pipe needs to be rehung, it looks like. That's what it looks like to me. You can see the water. This camera lens is 1.5 inches thick. The water standing is well over half of the 4-inch pipe. And here we come out of it. And what did we say, 16.4, and look, we're at 26.6. So a good 10-foot section of pipe has standing water in it. It's draining slowly, but like I said, we should never have any standing water in our line. We rely on a 1/4 inch drop per linear foot. Going through some fittings here. and we pull into some more water. This is significant because as we drain a sink, dishwasher drains, there's going to be little pieces of debris in there, little pieces of grease, things like that, and it's coming down the pipe, and then it hits the water and stops, and then more comes down the pipe and it hits the water and stops, and it just creates a dam almost. Still pulling back here, and we come up out of that water. You can see it moving real slowly, very, very slowly. And we're pulling out of this clean out. We extended the pipe up some. You can see the grease that we pulled out. And we came right out. And this is the two cleanouts that we're working out of. Let me get the camera lens wiped off. These are the two cleanouts we're working out of. We extended this pipe over. We were working straight out of there. And that will conclude part 1 of this video inspection.